Alright, so today I'm going to show you how you can make $122.50 per week online collecting emails. This isn't hard. This isn't going to take a lot of technical know-how or any advanced skills. It's pretty easy and you can get set up right away. With that being said, let's jump to my computer so I can show you everything that you need to get started.
But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it.
Alright, so with that being said, today's video is about showing you how you can make $122.50 per week online just collecting emails. The way we're going to do this is we're going to be signing up to a few CPA networks, okay? Now, before you jump off of this video, I know the issue that people have with CPA networks is that they can't get into them. You usually need to have some type of experience marketing, okay? And you usually have to talk to somebody, but the sites that I have for you today are legit CPA networks, and you don't need none of that. All you need to do is sign up. You don't need to make any calls. You don't need to have any proof of sales or anything like that. All you need to do is sign up, and you can get access to these networks. And they have really good products that are pretty popular in the marketplace today. So the first site that I want to bring you to is called Ad Vendor. Okay. Again, this is a CPA network, and if you don't know what a CPA network is, it stands for cost per action. With these networks, you don't need to necessarily make sales in order to make money with these networks, with these sites. Sometimes all you need is to get people to sign up to a site, give up an email, download an app. Companies are paying sites like this to get that information because they know that they can get a return on their investment. So they don't necessarily need people to buy into something, okay? So, again, all you need to do, well, let me backtrack. This site is called advendor.net, not .com. I'm sorry, I said that earlier. Advendor.net. It's a CPA network, and all you need to do is just sign up to the site, okay? You don't need any prior experience. You can do this today, right now, okay? And if we head over, because you can see there's advertisers and affiliates, and you can right away, you can see the offers, okay? Now, the one thing I will warn you about Ad Vendor, okay, I can't show you too much on Ad Vendor because there are a lot of adult related things on this, and I don't want to get pinged for that, okay? But with Ad Vendor, they focus on gaming, gambling, investing, and cryptocurrency, okay? So, for those of you who are into gaming or cryptocurrency or things like that, then you want to check out this site. Now, I do have another site that I'm going to show you in a second, but I just want to show you this site real quick, or just to give you an example of what you could be doing. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to go too deep into it because this site does have a lot of adult-related things. Okay, but just to give you like a quick example, whatever. Let's go to Warframe. All right, so Warframe is a popular. Started out as a PC game, but it's now on every console: Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, Xbox. It's everywhere. Okay. Basically, with this offer, right? All you need to do is get people to sign up for it. All right. All they need to, and the way it works is it's for this one in particular, it's a double opt-in, which means they have to sign up, okay, and then they're going to get an email to verify, and then once they check out the email and verify, then you'll get paid. That's it, okay. So what you could do for this, basically, and I'll scroll down. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. Websites are allowed. Teaser banner ads are allowed. Okay, social networks, public games, applications are allowed, and click under pop unders. Okay, those are allowed. So these are the things that you can do. All right. So for this particular offer, because it's a game, you could write how-tos on in a website. You know what? Let's see. Warframe. And this is just a website talking about like the Warframe update and stuff. So you can make a website talking about like updates, the patches, what's new coming to the game, gear, weapons, stuff like that, right? And then like on the side, you could have one of those Warframe banners that the website provides, or you can get the link, okay, that they provide, and you can put it within the website. All right. And when people click on that link and they sign up, like I said, Warframe is free to play, so you don't have to spend anything to play. Okay, all they got to do is sign up, and like I said, when they sign up and they verify their email, you make, what was it? You make $2.84. Okay, now that doesn't seem like a lot, but again, you don't have to sell anything. You're making almost $3 just to get somebody to sign up to a website. Okay, you click on get offer and it takes you straight to their website. I'm sorry, and all you need to do is get them to register. That's it. That's it. It's not that hard. And again, you can make a website. You can make videos talking about it, and with this one, you can share it on social media. Share it like, you know, different skins and weapons and stuff like that. Share different updates and stuff like that. You can share this stuff on social media. Okay, there are tons of people playing Warframe. This is a very popular game. Okay, and people are actively playing, and they have constant updates. And I just use this as an example. Okay, because this is something that people are familiar with. People know this. Okay, like let me let's go to youtube.com and let's put in Warframe. Okay. This was made an hour ago. Shotguns are somehow better now in Warframe. 27,000 subscribers, 1.8 thousand views. That's a lot of views. And if you was to make a video like this, think about that. You could, people don't need to, like I said, they don't need to buy anything. They just need to sign up. Let's say you got 10, you got 10 people to sign up a day, right? Calculator, here we go. Look up, just pull up a calculator real quick. All right, so 284 times 10. All right, so if you got $2.84, you got 10 people to sign up, and you got $2.84 for those 10 people, right? That's $28 a day. Let's multiply that by 7 a week times 7. And you're making almost $200 a week just getting people to sign up to play this game. That's not bad. You only need 10 emails a day. That's not hard. It's not hard at all. And again, they don't have to buy anything. They just have to sign up. They just have to register. That's it. That's it. Okay, so it's really simple. All right. And there's plenty more. Like I said, I'm not going to go too crazy on this site because there is a lot of adult content, but I do want to let me bring your attention to another CPA network, and this one is called Fire Ads. Okay, so similar to Ad Vendor, you don't need to have any like prior experience to use this website. Okay, all you need to do is just sign up, and you can get instant access to their products. All right. So going in, I've already picked one out with this one. Okay. And this one is for Amazon gift cards. Okay. All you need to do, like a website or a YouTube channel, you can share like how to get free Amazon gift cards or things like that. And you get your link, and when people sign up, okay, you get paid. This one is $1.75, okay? And this one is what I based the title on, doing the same thing, okay? $1.75, 10 emails a day, and then that time, times seven, okay? So, like I said, it's not hard. And again, just make videos, or you can create a website, you know, Amazon gift card cash codes, how to get legit free gift cards from Amazon, free Amazon gift card codes. Okay. You see, there's tons of people that's making content on stuff like this. Okay. And all you got to do is get the link that they provide you, put it in the description, or if it's on the website, post it on the website. And when these people sign up and they give up their email, you make cash. They don't have to buy anything. Okay. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think may find this useful as well. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.